TRONICS.
Welcome to TRONICS. Today I'm reviewing the 3 feet Anker USB-C cable and the 6 feet Anker USB-C cable. Before we start, I would like to talk about my experience with Anker products. I've owned around 5 micro USB cables from Anker. The quality of these cables are good, they do perform well. But unfortunately one of the cables stopped working. This was not due to wear and tear, as I hardly use that cable. Overall, I do think Anker provides the best cheap aftermarket alternatives compared to cheaper varieties on eBay and elsewhere. So I was not discouraged from buying these ones, as you'll see in the video that the build quality on these cables are made to a high standard. Now back to the USB-C cables. As expected, they both have been built with robust and quality materials. From feel and touch, they are better than the standard Galaxy S10 charging cable. I would recommend these cables if you are looking for an alternative cable or a cable for you to take on travels. To conclude, I'm going to test the charge time on both of these cables with the Galaxy S10